will be telling you what spices you will need and how to cut your ingredients. They're also listed in the description below. You will slice 1 medium onion. Cut 2 medium tomatoes into cubes. Using a hand grater, grate 4 ginger pieces and half a garlic slice. Slice 2 large Cut 2 medium-sized potatoes into wedges or medium cubes, whatever you prefer. Chop as much cilantro as you would like. This will be used to garnish the dish. Chop small pieces of 1 large green chili. This is your choice if you want to add this to your dish to make it spicier. In a large bowl of cold water, add the eggplants and set aside. This is important so they do not turn black while you're continuing on to your next steps. In a large pan, add half a cup of oil and onion and fry until golden brown on high heat. When the onions are done, add the ginger garlic paste and stir on medium heat for about 1 minute. Add tomatoes, and 1 teaspoon salt, 1.5 teaspoons of coriander powder, half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon cumin, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of water, and cook until all the tomatoes are tender. This will take about 12 to 15 minutes. Continue to cook the mixture until the oil separates from the gravy. Next, add in 1/4 cup of yogurt. Then add the sliced eggplants. On low-medium heat, cook them for about 5 to 7 minutes. Every so often, stir the eggplants so they don't stick to the dish. Then add the cut potatoes and mix well, and cook on low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the eggplants are tender. Garnish and enjoy your recipe. If you're not a big fan of spicy food, you do not have to add the green chilies as garnish. And instead of adding half a teaspoon of chili powder, you could do 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder.